What is up, Savage Life family? If you are here, you are sick and tired of Robinhood and plan on moving on to another brokerage. Now on this video, I'm just showing you the brokerage that I am moving on to and how to do so, and it is TD Ameritrade. Alright, now getting started, you want to go ahead and make a TD Ameritrade account and pause the video right here if you have not done so, and then continue make your account and come right here. Alright, now we're back. We made the account fresh. Now what you want to do is go ahead and log in. Now we're at the front page of TD Ameritrade. For those of you who are planning on transferring your whole account to another brokerage, if you have options contracts currently open, like I have a Wells Fargo open expiring in March, and then I have an Ozone open expiring in February, middle of next month. So obviously I don't want to close out those contracts at a loss, so I want to transfer them over with me. I want to get out of Robinhood as soon as possible because it's been crashing lately. Every morning when I want to trade, it crashes. I can't enter positions, I can't exit positions at the right time. It fills my orders way too high, and I'm just not enjoying it. So yes, of course, in the future I'm going to make my videos on this Robinhood platform because it's easy to look at, easy to understand. But in terms of me personally trading and doing my chart analysis, everything is going to be done on TD Ameritrade. So let's continue on here. What you want to do is look at client services, click in general under my profile, and you want to make sure options trading here, you apply for it and it's enabled. Once you're approved, your current level should be at least standard cash. And what standard cash does, it approves you for covered costs, cash secured puts, married puts, and to buy calls and puts. Now when you apply for options, be sure to put your experience at least 3 to 5 years within that range for you to be able to get the options. TD Ameritrade is slightly risk, so if you put that you're a beginner investor, of course they're not going to let you have the options availability, and then you'll have to wait quite a significant amount of time to reapply, so don't mess up on that. Now you want to apply for margin trading as well. You're just going to have to put your income. They're gonna run a little check, and once everything marks off correctly, you'll be approved for margin. And once these two here are checked and done, you can continue on to transferring over to brokerage. Now to do so, you want to click my account, well not click but hover the mouse over it and go under to account transfer. Click on that, transfer your account from another brokerage. You're in the right place. Begin transfer and search your firm name. If you're watching this video recently, I'm doing it for Robinhood, but you could pretty much do it for any firm if you plan on transferring over to Ameritrade. So you just click and type Robinhood here. Robinhood Securities is gonna pop up. I don't know why they have securities in their name, because they are not securing my funds. Just kidding. But but we're gonna go ahead and continue. Full account, you want to transfer everything over. You don't want to leave a penny in Robinhood. Forget them. They screw over the hardworking retail investors to support billionaire hedge funds. So you're gonna want to find your account number. On the account number, you can find that if you go onto the app. Let me start screen recording real quick. Okay, so I'm opening up the app here, and wait, your order to buy. Wow, that was a while ago. I was just doing that for the giggles. You want to click the person icon here and click investing. On top of investing, you should see your account number. You want to type that account number there, copy and paste it. For account type, you want to put individual because we are our own people. For account titles, you want to put Big Meech. And account owner name, you just put your name. And then the estimated value of your Robinhood securities is just what's on the front page of your Robinhood portfolio. So for investing, you just put what is showing on the front page. It's just an estimate. They need a rough number. They just want to make sure you're not transferring over $2 because it's not worth contacting Robinhood to do so. But for the title, I was just joking. You just want to go ahead and put investing, and that should be fine. And then continue. It's gonna show up your Ameritrade account transfer info, and it should show your last 4 numbers of the account number on your Ameritrade. should be okay. Yes, I am the owner of both accounts. Hopefully you're not a hacker watching my video and you're not the owner of both accounts, but if you are, that's what's needed to transfer everything. Is your last name different? I would hope not. You click the check mark, continue. You want to make sure you're transferring from Robinhood to TD Ameritrade, not the other way around. So as long as it says transfer from Robinhood to TD Ameritrade, you're all set. You want to click this, you want to submit. They're going to send you a confirmation email and you should be all set. Now what they're going to go ahead and do is contact Robinhood. Obviously, Robinhood doesn't have a phone number because they have the worst customer service known to mankind. But through email, they're going to reply through email and allocate all my funds out of this brokerage onto an actual real brokerage with good chat support, good news update, professionalism, and orders that could be filled the millisecond I press the button. So one more thing I wanted to mention, if you have cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, be sure to sell them before transferring over, or because TD Ameritrade does not sell cryptocurrencies. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of Doggy Coin and buy it on another website because I currently don't want anything to do with Robinhood, or I'll probably just purchase a bunch of Doggy Coin on my girls' accounts just for the giggles. But obviously I was in this just for the giggles and I'm up $30, so that's good there. Now if you're in a big cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you're in hundreds or thousands of dollars, then you're going to have to do a partial account transfer and mention that to TD Ameritrade when doing so. So there it goes, nice and easy. The transfer should take about 3 to 5 days. And in those 3 to 5 days, you can still use Robinhood to trade. Make sure to use up your day trades. Make sure to get in some sweet positions if you to do so. It's 3 to 5 business days, so it's going to take some time. By the end of next week to mid next week is when all my funds will be allocated over to TD Ameritrade. So there you have it. That was the update for today. I know a lot of you guys are upset with Robinhood and what they have been doing lately. If this helped any of you, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, and if you need extra help, comment down below and I'll be sure to comment back. As well, at the end of the video, I'm going to show a clip of a live stream of AOC today who was speaking about Robinhood's class action lawsuits and what they did in the past, and it explains a lot of why my orders have been getting filled at higher prices and they have not been filling my sell orders and doing a lot of fishy stuff behind the scenes. So you can go ahead and stay for that. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
Accused by the SEC in December of 2020 of not giving their customers best execution and actually costing them $34 million, even when you accounted for the free commissions because of their failures to provide them with best execution.
So you're saying just a month ago, Robinhood was in trouble for not optimizing their customers'